here we go. Just playing with the latest Teams feature with showing me within the recording. I hope this works fine. So let me just discuss what I want to show you in this video. I have a challenge. So the thing is that one of my customers wants to secure his backend xServer and on a specific dedicated machine. In this diagram, we can just see that there is a local software running on port 50,000, which is the xServer. So what we would like to demonstrate, or what I would like to demonstrate in the next minutes, is how you can prevent users from using that backend service if they do not satisfy certain requirements. The first thing is that you could simply use a firewall with a rule that says nobody's allowed to use that machine on that port from remote. Simple case, doesn't matter who that person is. If that person is not on that local machine, that client would not have access to port 50,000. So would never reach the Tomcat from outside on a direct path. The second approach is, or the second and third approach, are not connecting to port 50,000 directly from outside, but through port, let's say in this example, 50,110. That is hosting another component that is called NGINX, however you pronounce it, that software. And that software has a configuration that checks whether the user provides a specific additional, let's say, string or token in the URL that it calls. So the idea is that this is some kind of a secret token, a secret string that is not provided to anyone, but those users or applications that really should have access to the backend server. So what happens if I do not provide that string is that the NGINX in the middle says you're not allowed to use this service and you're bounced. You're getting an error of 403, for example, HTTP error 403. If you provide that specific secret or token, then the middleware service would just redirect you on a local path to port 50,000, consume the tile, and then return it on the regular path back to this. So how can I demonstrate this? Here I've got my local administrator front end, port 50,000. Here we've got my sample access. So this is, in my example, I'm not using port 50,110. I just use port 8888. So if I send this, let's say, secret token, I get a proper response. You can also see that the counter for the maps has just been increased. I can also change some parameters. Let's say I'm just removing the labels layer. So the counter is increasing again. Hopefully it does. So let me just repeat that several times. Yeah, here we go. Whenever I request a new map tile, we can see that the counter is increasing, and that's successfully working. If I'm removing the token from the URL, or just creating some kind of a typo, then I'm getting a 403. That's what I wanted to show. I can also provide the configuration file for the NGINX, which is available here. Maybe I'll just put it on the forum. It's not hidden information. And that just enforces the clients to provide their secret token. And of course, this is just redirecting, or it's listening to the port 4x8, and it's just redirecting incoming requests if they are successfully confirmed to, where is the port 50,000? We will see it in the config. I'm just blind, confused, dazed and confused. Error, where is it? There you go. Here we see that it's just redirecting to a port 50,000 on the same machine. That's it. That's what I wanted to show. Complicated, but you can just not wipe out the firewall. Have fun with that. Bye.